Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hey buddies, welcome back to another little video. And what about this stunner today? This is a golden-fronted leafbird. And how blessed I am to have this in my garden. A few months ago, one solitary bird appeared and he came down just for a little bit of banana, and I didn't see him again for quite a while. And I thought maybe it was just a passing bird and it was just a one-off. But since then, they're back, they're regular, they're every day, eating my bananas. Most days there's usually 2 to 4 birds, and I think they might have a nest around here somewhere. So I'm looking forward to seeing if there's any juveniles turn up. Anyway, what a cracker of a bird, eh? So the golden-fronted leafbird is a beautifully coloured bauble-sized bird which manages to vanish into green foliage. The orange forehead is very diagnostic, and unlike several other species of leafbirds, the sexes are similar. Although I say they are similar, the black on the face and the throat of the female does seem to be a little duller, with young birds having a plain green head and lack the black on their face and throat. This leafbird usually likes to frequent dry dipterocarp forests, mixed deciduous forests, and sometimes broadleaf evergreen forests, and usually up to about 1,200 meters. So it's not really a bird that you usually would tend to find in your garden. But I guess I'm just lucky. I'm not complaining. Anyway, I'm sure you'll agree, it's an absolute stunning looking bird. Anyway, as we always say, if you want to see this bird, come to my garden. Oh no, if you want to see this bird, learn the sound. So, here we go. Anyway, not much more to say about this one, so I'm going to keep quiet for the rest of the video, which is going to make a lot of you happy, I'm sure. So sit back and just enjoy the splendour. Well, there you go. That's another little video done and dusted. This time the golden-fronted leafbird. As I say, a cracking bird to have in the garden. So that's it for now. I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and all that. And bye for now.